David with Mart. I'm sitting here with the M34 by eWheels, and this eWheels is one of the best four-wheel scooters on the market. The reason why Mart loves the eWheels M34 so much is there's nothing else in its price range with four wheels under $1,000. So you get distance, length, durability, and four wheels, which give you stability under $1,000. There's not many scooters on the market. Let's talk a little bit more about the M34 specs and features. The M34 is built for performance. It has a top speed of 4.5 miles per hour and a 10-mile drive range. That 10-mile drive range is much higher than some of its competitors. It gets you where you need to go quickly. So it has speed, length, durability. It has a comfortable folding seat. It breaks down into pieces. It disassembles into 5 pieces, a 300-pound weight capacity, a 10-mile drive range. It has a bright LED front headlight that comes standard. Not a lot of scooters have a LED light as a standard feature. It has rear hazard lights and 3 seat positions. The overall product weight is 92 pounds, with the heaviest piece being 28 pounds. It has solid 8-inch tires, which are great for hitting bumps. It has a 43-inch turning radius and a 17-inch seat. So we have John Johnson here. He is our warehouse manager. He's been in DME for 11 years. He knows a lot about DME, and he's got a personal story about this scooter.
This M34 I actually purchased for my mother-in-law, Leslie. She couldn't make it to family functions. She couldn't make it to birthday parties. So we purchased one of these on a whim, and it was super cheap, durable. It disassembled into 4 separate pieces, so we was easily able to put it in the trunk of our car, and she was able to spend the whole day with the whole family. So she was able to get around with ease. She was able to get into different spots and areas at the park where we was. She was able to spend time with the kids. She basically wasn't able to run around, but she could follow and keep up with everybody in the family.